Hi there guys, welcome back to another video. We're on to an absolute flyer for today. So Ford Fiesta, we've now sold that car. I'll go show you in a second. It has been in our garage just having a bit of prep work done. What has it needed? We've had to put some new rear sills on it, I believe. We've had to put drop links on it, tyre, just needs an MOT, and then we'll be all good to go with that car. So it was a customer that came down over the weekend. The car wasn't here, unfortunately, because it was at the garage. So Todd's come back down today and she has bought it. So, fantastic start, and we are really moving now for the month of August, which is obviously great news. So, if I show you the car, so it's just this one here. Ignore the sills at the minute, guys. Like I say, they've just been cut out and welded, but I had to go and pick the car up so the customer could have a little drive in it, and she is now sold. So, full asking price for the car. And also she's got a little part exchange, a little Renault Clio. Don't think it's something that we'd really sell, if I'm honest with you. It's a 57 plate. It's only got 82,000 miles, but it's got so many bloody advisories. Steering rack leak, oil leaks, corrosion on the subframes, all that sort of stuff. So I don't think it's going to be a car that we're going to be entertaining. 6 plate 500, we're going to get that one back up for sale. We're going to start again with these 500s. Get it out of my head what's happened to this customer. Let's get this one up for sale and get the bloody thing sold. And if any of you don't recognise this one here, so this was the 1 Series that was looking really sorry for itself. It didn't have any number plates on, and also it needed the bonnet painting, which is now done. Ignore the raindrops. And also it needed the rear bumper painting, and that's also now done, as you can see. So this 1 Series, we just jump on the inside. It's a 180D Sport. It does need a good valet, guys. We're about to take that there in the next few minutes. It's got full leather interior. Obviously it's got the automatic lights, automatic wipers, but a really nice feature that it's got, if we can get it working, is sat nav, which for a Sport, what we've got going on here? So we've got sat nav there, so that's some really nice spec. It's got 101,000 miles, and yeah, cheap automatic car. So this one definitely will not be here long. I'm going to get her advertised today. She needs to take her across the valet. It's got a full service history of it as well. Most of it's with BMW. Like I say, it's just unfortunate that the bonnet paint had failed, and also the rear bumper had quite a lot of scratches over it. But that is now done. So my jobs for today is to get the Ford Fiesta to the MOT centre. Like I say, I've had all the prep work done, so I'm going to jump in that. And then I need to go and pick up the grey Astra that I sold yesterday, because that is now done. So I'm going to go and collect that, and then from there I'm just going to do a bit of a shuffle around on the pitch, because there's a few cars in here I want to put to the front, one being the MG3 because I think that's a nice car. So I want this one going just on the corner over there, guys, where that dreaded Fiat 500 is. And then I also want the Ford Focus going on the front, because that's got something called Auto Park or something. So apparently it parks itself. I need to try it to make sure it works. A1, we've got a viewing on this. We've had inquiries coming out of ears for this car, which I did think were going to happen. So we've got someone coming down tomorrow to have a look at that. And also the Mercedes C-Class on the front. I'll show you that one. We've got a viewing on this on Thursday. So someone's coming down from Coventry to come and have a look at that. That tyre's gone bloody flat again. Right, I must go and sort that out. So guys supposed to come and fit a tyre to that, but they still haven't been. A5 still here, but all fairness, we've only had it a couple of days. Grey A5 still here, and that BMW, which I've got a plan for that. I'm going to advertise it. I'm going to advertise that car on BMW social media pages, see if I can get any interest on it, because that car is performing excellent on Auto Trader, but it's not selling for whatever reason. So I've got to sort that out. So quite a lot to do today. That's a little catch up for where we are at the minute, and I'll have a catch up with you later on. Right, so that is the BMW 1 Series taken down to valet. We've took the Fiesta back for MOT. We've picked the silver Astra up that we sold a couple of days ago, the 66 plate one. That's having an interior valet at the minute. We've also taken the black 1.4 turbo Astra for a service and MOT. The Mercedes E-Class, that one's obviously sold to my neighbour. That's just gone for an MOT, passed. Needs some rear tyres, and we're also going to put a brand new battery on it for him as well, because I've noticed that when you're starting the car up, even though it starts, the lights are flickering, like the battery's not too healthy. So I'm going to get that done for him, because obviously I don't want it to break down on him, you know, and be left stranded and all that sort of stuff. Some other really exciting news is we've had a call from the company that we purchased the ramps from. Now they are being fit tomorrow, so Wednesday. I've got to be there for, I think it's 11 o'clock it says. So I'm just going to open shutters up for him, let him fit the ramps, and then on the 1st of September, Will can get cracking. We're doing all our prep work going forward, which we are so excited about. I can't even begin to tell you. The prep side of things, the garage that we use are great. They really do help us out, and we'll still be using them. There's not a problem for that side of things. But the big bulk of stuff, like say we get a car that needs a clutch or a gearbox or big work, which the garage that we use don't tend to like doing because they're quite busy, Will can jump on that, and it's just going to help us massively going forward. For example, that Fiat Doblo that's in the workshop, it's been in there for 2 months, which is just not ideal, obviously. Perfectly good van, which would have been sold by now. So yeah, I'm really eager to get that sorted. And that is going to help me and Will take Spire to the next level, and it's going to help me take LAS Autobahn Motors to the next level. So big things are coming, really excited. For the rest of the day, we've not had much inquiries, if I'm being honest with you. It is a bit slow still. The good thing is that the inquiries that we're getting, we are converting. That is the good thing, and not being big-headed, but I've always been good at converting a deal. Like to think I'm nice and easy to deal with, pretty straight up person, and yeah, I think people buy from people. So luckily, we're converting the inquiries that we get, but I would love some more inquiries just to take the pressure off a little bit, just a tiny bit, but I'm happy with how the month's going, and yeah, there's no more to say than that. But that's just a little bit of a catch up for today. Like I said, we're going to get the BMW 1 Series back from valet, but it does need quite a heavy valet. It's got quite a lot of mud in the boot and in the rear seats, assuming they've had children or maybe an animal. And also the Silver Astra, that needs a big valet as well. So only cars got left advertised is black BMW 1 Series. We've also got a Renault Clio part exchange, which is up with our paint guy at the minute. I'll try and get a clip of what that car looked like before. We've got the black 1.4 Turbo Astra. Need to get that one advertised. That needs a good clean, and also I think it needs some paint on the rear bumper. We've got the Fiat Doblo, which isn't going to be obviously done yet. I've got to get the 66 plate 500 back up sale. I've got to get the 63 plate 500 fixed. Like I said, we think it potentially might be an head gasket. We're not too sure. And then other than that, we're good to go. We've caught up and we're where we need to be. But it's another video done, guys. Thank you again for all your support. Our subscribers are going up and up and up. So if you can like, subscribe and comment, we'd really appreciate it. And we'll see you for the next one. Take care.